Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto E6i. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and enter a system. Here you should be able to find the gestures. First one is swipe fingerprint for notifications. If you activate it, we'll need to find the fingerprint sensor, which is on the back of your phone right here. And now you can scroll through it like that to open your notification panel. Next option is jump to camera, and to quickly open camera, press the power button twice, and it works from any screen, so that means when your phone is unlocked or when it's locked. So let's try it. And it works fine. Next feature is system navigation, and here you can choose to how navigate your phone, and you can use 3 buttons which will show on the bottom of our phone, and they're bugged out. Okay, now they work, and you can see the back button, home button, and taskbar button. Then there's gesture navigations, and here you'll be able to navigate your phone using gestures without any buttons. Next thing is to lift to check your phone. If you activate it and lock your device, next time you pick it up, it will wake up without pressing any button. Next is prevent ringing, and here you can set your phone to vibrate or mute when you press the power and volume up together, like that. And as you can see, it changes into vibrate. We can also set it to mute. Next feature, 3 fingers screenshot. If you activate it, you can hold your 3 fingers onto the screen, and this should make a screenshot. And the last one is fast flashlight, and here if you want to enable flashlight, you can lock your device, then pick it up. You don't need to lock it, I guess, but anyway, I'm gonna do it. And shake your phone like you would give a handshake or perform a karate chop with your phone, but don't hit anything with your phone, it might damage it. And on most of the Motorola devices it should work, but on this device, as you can see, it doesn't work. So you can try it. I'm not gonna waste time on it because this feature is absolute garbage. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.